Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix computer freezing problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to open C drive. So for that, go to search bar and type in File Explorer. Then click here to open it. Then go to C drive and simply go to this PC. Right click on C drive and open its properties. Once you're here, we need to select Tools tab, then click on Check from Error Checking. So click on it and click on Scan Drive. This will take some time to complete the process, approx 20 to 15 seconds. We need to wait for it. So your drive was successfully scanned. So close this window, then go to search bar and type performance of Windows. So you will get this, adjust the appearance and the performance of Windows. Simply click on it, then go to advanced tab and click on change. Once you are here, we need to uncheck this option, then select custom size, and we need to fill these boxes with the recommended here it is the recommendation. So simply type in these all here. Once done, we need to click on apply and then OK. So after that, simply close all windows one by one and move to the last step. That will be, we need to open settings, then click on system. Once you're here, we need to click on recovery. Just scroll down and you'll get here. After that, we need to click on reset PC. So click here and then click on keep my files. So once done, close this window and you can simply go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Type in these 4 commands carefully. Type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. This will take more time to complete the process. Once done, we need to type exit to close the command prompt window. Again, we need to open command prompt. So right click here, select run as administrator and select S. Now execute the command. chkdsk space C:/ F /R and hit enter. Once done, type Y and hit enter. Then we need to type in dism.exe space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health and hit enter. Once done, it will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. And now type exit to close the command window. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.